If you haven't already, hit that like button and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos.
Hey everybody, my name is Maria.
Hi.
And Kai. We are making lemon curd, and lemon curd is so delicious. You could put it on my angel food cake if you want to. You could put it on my Dutch baby. I did a lemon curd Dutch baby. You should check out the Dutch baby video. You have a little bit of something on your face. You were eating, weren't you? Oh boy. Anyway, lemon curd is really easy. You just need lemon juice, yolks, and if you make the angel food cake, you have a bunch of yolks left over because you're just using the whites.
What is this?
We have a little swerve, and we have butter, and we're using Organic Pastures raw butter because they're nice enough to send some. But we are going to turn this on, and we are going to add, let's see, Micah, can you put the swerve in there? You need 8 tablespoons of butter.
What will be
You can open up this butter. Oh boy. Thank you, bud.
I thought you were opening up.
It's really, here you go. Can you open, let me do this part. You can do the other ones. I'm gonna put the butter right on in here, 8 tablespoons. This is so delicious. You should double the batch and make leftovers, all right? So you have 8 tablespoons of butter. Kai, can you put the lemon juice in there?
This?
Yep, lemon juice. There you go. Dump that on in there. Let's put it in here. See? So fun working with kids. And 4 egg yolks. And I'm gonna add a little bit of my Redmond salt because salt is a flavor enhancer. And it makes even the most, even desserts taste extra delicious. Now, what you're going to do is, oh, we should turn this on. There we go. Okay, so now that we have everything in the proper pan, it's a secret, right? We are going to turn it over a pretty medium-low heat, and you want to have a whisk. A whisk is my best friend. I use a whisk just about every single day. And I'm just going to whisk this because you don't want the yolks to curdle, but when you're done, if any do curdle, that's why you have a strainer. That's the only strainer I have. And I'm going to put it over another pot because once this is starting to thicken, what's that?
It would start to drip in there.
Yep, it will drip in there, yep.
With if there's like you know, shells.
Yeah.
It goes on top.
I'm actually going to turn this up a little bit more. We had a little bit of technical difficulties, didn't we?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. We put it in a different pot, and the pot didn't register on the induction oven. And I don't use this all the time. Induction ovens are great. They can boil water in or induction stove in very little time. But you want to keep whisking it because if you don't, you're going to get like, looks like cottage cheese, but it doesn't taste like cottage cheese. It's just curdled. And you could use a little bit of less sweetener if you want to.
You can use whatever sweetener you want.
You can, right? And if you can't use butter, if you want to make this dairy-free, you can feel free to use coconut oil. But this will take a couple minutes, so we will catch you in a couple minutes.
Okay.
All right, everybody, the lemon curd is just about finished. It's thickened. You want to make sure it's like thickening like the back of a spoon.
But it looks liquid. If you want it to thicken.
Well, it will thicken with time, like overnight when it chills. So, excuse me, buddy, I don't want to burn you. Can you move this to the side? There we go. I'm going to pour this right through here. And it will catch any pieces that maybe did curdle a little bit. And we have like, not too many, maybe 15 little tiny pieces. I'll show everybody here. You see it took some of that out, the white pieces, a little bit out. And now you have a delicious lemon curd that will go on your Dutch baby. I've made lemon curd ice cream, pancakes.
Yeah, if you want.
So it's gonna be like this, and as it cools, it will thicken up even more. But you want it to coat the back of a spoon, all right? So that is lemon curd. Very, very easy. All you need is lemon juice, 4 yolks, some swerve, and butter and a little bit of salt. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Aloha, everybody. If you want to change your life like I've changed mine with food, I would be honored to help you. Many of you don't know that I was twice my size. I had acid reflux. I had PCOS, which is polycystic ovarian syndrome. I had depression, I had IBS, which is irritable bowel syndrome, and food changed my life. And not only did that happen, I get to eat good food, right? Good food. So if you want to eat good food, I have perfected meal plans made by me and personal help with supplements or modifications if you have Hashimoto's, if you have Graves, if you have IBS, if you have PCOS, contact me. I would be honored to help you. You can go to keto-adapted.com and find a lot of different options there for personalized help, or message me by commenting below on this YouTube video, or you can check me out at mariamindbodyhealth.com. Mahalo.
Sharing is caring. Share this video